Hello friends, today I will be talking about epiphora, that is tears drooling down from eyes of puppy or adult dog. So, there is always complaint that there is a lot of tear getting down the face and thereby staining the hair around dog face. Why it happens? See, there may be a lot of reason for that. One basic reason is genetic. Generally what happens when tears is produced by tear glands, it is being secreted through nasolacrimal ducts to nose, and from there it goes off. So that is normal way tear goes in the body. What happens in some cases when nasolacrimal ducts are closed or they are somehow not functional, then the tears which are supposed to go to nose via nasolacrimal ducts comes out in the form of tears and stain the surrounding area. That is one reason. Other reason may be some structural problem like entropion or ectropion, in case where eyelids move inwards and they continuously irritate the eye, and thereby continuously, because of irritation, there is tear flow. Overproduction of tears are there because of continuous irritation, and it just comes out from there. There may be other reason like eyelid neoplasia, where because of neoplasia there is continuous irritation and there is more production of tear which comes down there. See, in case of some eye damage also, if there is any ulcer formation, these things you can notice. Mostly in case of hairy breeds where there are a lot of hairs in and around the face, it always happens that hair overgrowth, they go and touch the eyeball, thereby continuously irritating that area, and that causes a lot of tear to flow down. So treatment depends on the region. If it is genetic region and if there is any closure of nasolacrimal ducts, the duct may be opened through a canal, and that can be cured. Another, if it is ectropion or entropion, that can be taken care of surgically. If there is more hairs which is irritating the eyeball, then get always that hair trimmed around that area. Now comes to treatment. See, all these things has to be treated accordingly, as I told you, but now there is a question that how to remove the tear stain from that area. So tear stain can be removed simply with using some sterile water with cotton. Other things, there are commercial eye stain remover are there. These tear stain removers are there, which you can use by for removing the tear stain. Other simple formula I am telling you, you can buy hydrogen peroxide. It is available in market. Dilute is 1:10, that is 1 ml to be diluted in 10 ml of water. Take some cotton and just soak in that liquid and clean that area. But precaution has to be taken care that this liquid does not go inside the ear. So that is how you can clean the area. Thank you very much, dear. Thank you.